everyone, welcome at our channel. So, मम्मा अब क्या कर रही हो?
मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर रही हूँ, मैं तुम्हारा वेट कर रही हूँ क्योंकि आज मैं तुम्हारा टेस्ट लूंगी।
क्या का टेस्ट?
मैं तुमसे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ, चलो उसके आंसर दो। चलो अब तुम मुझे बताओ तुम बताओ कलर्स नेम जितने तुम्हें याद है, पर रुकना नहीं है, कंटिन्यूसली बताओ।
Black, blue, red, yellow, violet, light blue, light green, and etc.
Good. Now you tell me some animals name.
Lion, dog, cat, mouse, horse, camel.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। अच्छा अब मुझे बताओ कि तुम्हें ये सारे नाम कैसे याद है? चलो ये बताओ कि ये सारी चीजें याद रखने में तुम्हारी बॉडी का कौन सा ऑर्गन है, कौन सा सिस्टम है जो तुम्हें हेल्प करता है?
डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम।
अरे नहीं, डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम इट हेल्प्स इन द डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड, पढ़ा था ना पहले। डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम नहीं, द ऑर्गन विच हेल्प यू फॉर रिमेम्बरिंग द थिंग्स एंड कंट्रोल द अदर सिस्टम इज nervous system,
brain system,
nervous system. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about nervous system and its organs. Especially we will talk about brain, spinal cord and nerves. Okay,
mama.
okay, so what happens now? You remember the things, different things. So how you remember the things? The system of our body help you to remembering the things. That is the nervous system. I think you have learned about the different systems of the body. अलग-अलग systems जो होते हैं हमारी body में different काम करते हैं, different work करते हैं, and all these systems they are controlled by one organ system that is known as nervous system. है ना, the body whole systems they are all controlled by nervous system. Okay. Nervous system is the control and communication system of the body, है ना? It helps you feel, think, move and respond the things. Okay. So nervous system ये control और communication का system है हमारी body का, जो आपको बहुत सारी चीजों में मदद करता है। Nervous system दो तरह के होते हैं, two types of nervous systems, CNS and PNS. CNS is central nervous system and PNS is peripheral nervous system. Now what is CNS? CNS consists of two parts, brain and spinal cord. Okay, brain you know boss of the body है ना, तो brain is your organ of your body that controls thoughts, memory, emotions, controls all the activities voluntary and involuntary. जो जितनी भी एक्टिविटी जो आप सोचते हैं या नहीं सोचते हैं, बिना सोचे समझे करते हैं, आपकी थॉट्स, मेमोरी, इमोशंस, आपकी पूरी बॉडी का कंट्रोल दैट इज डन बाय ब्रेन. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज नोन एज बॉस ऑफ द बॉडी. नाउ सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी ऑफ सीएनएस इज स्पाइनल कोड. व्हाट इज स्पाइनल कोड? स्पाइनल कोड दिस इज द पाथवे, है ना, इट कैरीज द मैसेजेस बिटवीन ब्रेन एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द बॉडी. आपकी ब्रेन में और बॉडी में कम्युनिकेशन इनके थ्रू होता है. इट हेल्प्स इन रिफ्लेक्स एक्शंस, क्विक रिस्पॉन्सेज विदाउट थिंकिंग, है ना. रिफ्लेक्स एक्शंस क्या है? ऐसे एक्शंस, ऐसे रिस्पॉन्सेज जिसमें आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ता. जैसे किसी गर्म चीज को आपका हाथ या पैर छूता है, आप उसको अपने हाथ या पैर को बिना सोचे समझे आप हटा लेते हैं, है ना. यू डोंट हैव टू थिंक अबाउट दैट, आपको सोचना नहीं पड़ता है. तो दिस इज द रिफ्लेक्स एक्शन एंड इज डन बाय द स्पाइनल कोड, दैट इज द पाथवे. दीज टू पार्ट्स, brain and spinal cord, they both form the nervous system, central nervous system, CNS. Now the second part of nervous system is PNS, that is peripheral nervous system. What is PNS? All the nerves of the body they form the PNS. Okay, nerves extend to the rest of the body. वो मिलकर के PNS बनाती हैं सारी nerves. Okay, what they do? This system it connects body parts to CNS. ये nerves जो है आपके बॉडी पार्ट्स को कनेक्ट करती है सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम से. ओके, इट हेल्प्स यू सेंस थिंग्स लाइक पेन, टच, हीट. ये सारी चीजें आपको कैसे फील होती है? थ्रू द PNS, है ना. इट हेल्प्स मसल्स मूव. मसल मूवमेंट में ये PNS हेल्प करता है. ओके, सो now nervous system, you know, control and communication system of the body consists of two parts, CNS and PNS. Again CNS consists of two parts, brain and spinal cord, and PNS, all the nerves extended to rest of the body, they form the PNS. Okay, today in this video we are going to talk about the brain. Okay, brain and spinal cord. So now let's talk about the brain. So your brain is most powerful and control center of the body, you know, most important and powerful control center of the body. It weighs approximately 1.5 kg, 2% of your body weight, है ना. And in male approximately 1.37 kg and in female 1.2 kg. This is the control center of your body, है ना. You can see the structure of the brain. Just see here, this is the structure of the brain. It has three parts. Cerebrum, uppermost part or front part, and this is the lower part is cerebellum, and this is the brain stem. Okay, brain is very soft, delicate, located within the hard bony skull. Hard bony skull, that is known as the cranium. तुम्हें पता है ना, skull होता है बहुत hard होता है, bony skull, that is cranium, है ना. So brain is located within the hard bony skull, within the cranium. It is the control center of your body. It receives the information and process it and send instruction to every organ. Okay, information को receive करता है, उसको process करता है and sends instructions. सारे instructions हर organ को send करता है. Okay, it is made up of several hard bones. Which one? Cranium. Cranium is the skull. It is the cranium. Cranium is made up of several hard bones, है ना. The function. What is the function of skull? तो skull protects brain from external damage, है ना. जो भी बाहर का, अगर बाहर से कोई डैमेज होता है, एक्सटर्नल डैमेज होता है, उससे स्कल ब्रेन को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ओके, you can see some folds and grooves on the surface of the brain. ग्रूव्स जो दरारें प्रेजेंट होती हैं, फोल्ड्स दे आर लाइक रिजेस, है ना. फोल्ड्स रिजेस के जैसे, उभार के जैसे प्रेजेंट होते हैं ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द ब्रेन. ओके, सेरिब्रो स्पाइनल फ्लूइड, it flows in and around the brain. What is the fluid? The clear colorless fluid होता है जिसको सेरिब्रो स्पाइनल फ्लूइड कहते हैं. इट एक्ट्स एज शॉक एब्जॉर्बर, है ना. तो ये क्या करता है? इट प्रोटेक्ट्स ब्रेन फ्रॉम जर्क एंड इंजरीज. ब्रेन को जर्क से और इंजरीज से बचाता है. ओके, सो दिस फ्लूइड इट फ्लोज इन एंड अराउंड द ब्रेन and spinal cord. Okay, that is known as cerebrospinal fluid. So this is your brain. It stores lots of informations like a computer. Means your brain acts as a supercomputer. सारी information को collect करता है and उसको process करके it sends to the body. We can divide the brain into three main parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem. Okay, cerebrum is the main uppermost part of the brain. It is the largest part, and cerebrum, it is folded and big, known as the thinking part of the brain. This is the main part of the brain, which is thinking part. It is the 2/3 of your brain. And on its surface you can see so many grooves and folds. Just see, you can see so many grooves and folds are there. At present, grooves, they are known as sulci, and folds, they are known as the gyri. Grooves means दरारें जो होती हैं उनको sulci बोलते हैं, sulcus. Folds present होते हैं, so many folds are there. Ridges होते हैं, उभाल जैसे structure होते हैं, उनको हम कहते हैं gyri. They are known as gyri. Okay. So cerebrum, it has we can further divide into two parts: left hemisphere and right hemisphere. So what left hemisphere does, it coordinates activities of the right side, है ना, and right hemisphere, it coordinates the activities of left side. Okay, it coordinates activities of right side and tasks related to logic, science and maths. And right hemisphere, it coordinates activities of left side and tasks related to creativity and arts. So these are two hemisphere of cerebrum. Okay, got it? Clear? You can see clearly. Now it has 4 lobes of present on the cerebrum: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. है ना, ये 4 lobes में आप इसको डिवाइड कर सकते हो. You can see frontal lobe, it is responsible for thinking, planning, movements, emotions. Parietal lobe, it is responsible for touch, temperature, pain, awareness. Then temporal lobe, it is responsible for hearing, memory, language. And occipital lobe, it is responsible for vision. Okay, so this is the structure of cerebrum. This is the largest part of the brain, you can see. And now what are the functions of cerebrum? Functions of cerebrum, it controls all the voluntary activities like planning, reasoning, memory, speech. It is responsible for thinking, speaking, hearing, vision. So it controls learning, memory, creativity, makes decisions and plans, and responsible for thinking, speaking, hearing, and vision. So these are the main functions of cerebrum. Okay, most important part of your brain. Got it? Now the second part of the brain is cerebellum. है ना? Below part you can see, below the cerebrum there is a cerebellum is present. You can see this part is known as the cerebellum. है ना? This is the second part of the brain. It has no folds but grooves are present on this part, on cerebellum. It is a small rounded part of back of the head under the cerebrum. है ना? Cerebrum के नीचे ये part होता है cerebellum. Okay. It controls the balance and posture. It coordinates the muscular movements. It maintains smooth and controlled actions. Balance and body movements as walking, jumping, running. है ना? It makes body movements smooth and coordinated. It helps in activities like running, jumping, cycling. So it controls the balance and posture. This is the cerebellum. So the last part of the brain is brainstem. है ना? Behind the cerebellum you can see one tube-like structure. This is the brainstem, and the lower part of the brainstem is medulla oblongata. Okay. So the brainstem, it has 3 parts: midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. है ना? Last part of the brainstem, lower part of the brainstem is the medulla oblongata. It is this brainstem is located behind the cerebellum, and it connects brain to the spinal cord. Okay. And medulla oblongata, it controls involuntary actions like respiration, circulation of blood, digestion, heartbeat. है ना? जो आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं है, अनैच्छिक क्रियाएं जो होती है, involuntary actions, they are controlled by this portion, this medulla oblongata. It controls these actions. है ना? It controls some actions that are not in your direct control. है ना? Like sneezing and coughing, which are not in your direct control. They are also controlled by this portion, medulla oblongata. Okay. So this is the whole structure of brain. All 3 parts we have learned about the cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla oblongata. If you want that your brain work proper, so what you should do for proper functioning of your brain, you should take healthy diet, you should exercise, and you should take right amount of sleep. है ना? So same as other organs, we have to take care about these things of your diet, exercise, and sleep, so that your brain, it could work properly. Okay. So now let's talk about spinal cord. The first part of CNS we have studied about the brain. Now the next part of the CNS is spinal cord. है ना? Spinal cord, it connects brain to rest of the body. है ना? And transferring messages between brain and body. You can see now, this is the tube-like structure. This is the spinal cord, long tube-like structure made up of thick bundle of nerve tissues. Okay, it extended down from medulla oblongata to continues until middle of the back, and it ends at your waist. है ना? Waist पे ये end होती है. It is protected by outer column that is called the vertebral column, or you can say the backbone. Okay, so this is your spinal cord. It connects your brain to rest of the body and transferring messages between brain and the body. Okay, so this is whole about your CNS, central nervous system. In this we have studied about brain and spinal cord. This is your first part. It is still remaining. In next video we will complete the nervous system. Okay, till then बाय।
आपको ऐसी और वीडियोस देखनी है तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब कर देना। बाय। So everyone, we will meet in a new video with the second part of the nervous system. Till then, bye. Do remember, like, subscribe and share.